Fashion designer Zac Posen is sharing a behind-the-scenes look at the gown he made for Princess Eugenie's second wedding dress. Posen posted the pic in honor of the princess's 29th birthday. Every now and then you meet somebody who just knocks your socks off. This last year, I got to know a young lady who possessed natural elegance, a heart of gold, and sophisticated humor, he wrote. Princess Eugenie wed Jack Brooksbank at Windsor Castle's St. George's Chapel in October. Her Peter Pilato ceremony gown highlighted a scar on her back from a childhood scoliosis surgery. The reception dress had a similar low back feature. It also paid homage to the beauty of Windsor's countryside, with the white rose of York embroidery, Eugenie's father, Prince Andrew, said.